Hello everyone, I'm Vighnajeet Singh Raghuvanshi and you are watching Comtechie. So today's topic is antivirus. There are many antivirus in the Google Play Store or in App Store. You can find many antivirus, but some of them are not true. So today I'm going to show you some true antiviruses. For example, Kaspersky and Avast free antivirus. So let's get started. First we will open the Play Store and we will type Kaspersky, Kasperky, Kaspersky, and click on search. You can see Kaspersky written here. Click on it and go to the end. Click on more, and you can find many applications made by Kaspersky. So first we need Kaspersky antivirus. So let's click on install. You can see this application is being installed. Let's wait for it to be installed. So you can see as this app is installed. Let's open it. Click on next, confirm. You can see Kaspersky total security is starting. Let's click on next. You have to allow or else this application won't work. So click on allow. Skip this. If you want, you can take it. Click on scan. You can see as the Kaspersky total security is scanning your phone. You can see the application has scanned our phone and it has scanned 105 files in 13 seconds. So let's click on OK. Click on wait later. So as you see, this is one of the application named as Kaspersky Total Security. You can find the link to download it in the description box. So it is our first antivirus. The second antivirus is Avast free antivirus. Before going to the second one, I would like to show you this. It has many products for you might be suffering from low battery problem or your battery exhaust very fast. So for them I have Kaspersky battery lifesaver and booster. It has the same process and it saves the battery and the phone will also get charged very faster. So this link is also in the description box. You can go and see it. It has many products for VPN, password manager. If you want to make videos on them, just comment. Okay, so our second antivirus is Avast free antivirus. As you can see, we have opened a fresh Play Store. We will click on search bar and we will type AAVAST Avast and click on search. You will find Avast free mobile antivirus here. Click on install. You can see it's being installed. As you can see, Avast free antivirus has been installed. So let's open it. Click on scan now. It's very easy to use. Click on allow or else this application won't work. So you can see it is scanning the device. It's very easy to use. You can see it has completed its scan and my device is protected. For installing this, the link is in description box. You have to just click on it and click on install. If you like this video, like, subscribe, share and never miss an update. Thank you.